Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Pusha P, back with another one. I told you I would be back very soon. I told you so. This is what we're gonna do today. I have another wig that I'm gonna be doing for you guys today. As you can see, I got my ball cap method going on here, and because this wig that I'm doing I feel like it requires a ball cap method. It's a lace wig, and we're gonna get into it. So I'm gonna tell you the name and everything about it and show you what kind of wig it is in just a second. But first, loyalties and our new followers, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And make sure you share the video. Help another sister to get her hair right, okay? That's what we're here for, to help each other out, right? Yes. So yeah, let's wait no longer. Next. So I cannot pronounce the name of this wig, but it is in the description below if you need to see how it's spelled. And this is the Body Wave Lace Front Wig, Human Hair 20-inch 13x4 HD Lace Front Wig. And this is human hair, and it's pre-plucked with baby hair, Glueless Frontal Wig, and it's 180% density. As I'm showing here, it's 100% human hair. We got some goodies in the bag. We got 2 HD stocking caps in the bag here. Also, it has a wig comb. This is basically, if you lose a comb, you can add one in there. Or if you want to put an extra one, you can put it in there as well. It had a bobby pin, and it has the elastic headband, so it can give you that good tight grip that we need. Flawless. So with this one, guys, I already cut it, but this one has the clamp band in the back, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this really quickly. I don't know, it just gives it a better like grip to me. You know, you don't necessarily have to do it, but I'm so used to these things, I just like to use them. It has 3 combs, 1, 2, 3. It has one at the nape, and I just applied, I'm putting this on here as well, okay? 13x4. Okay, 13x4. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and apply. So I finally got it on, y'all. I normally don't do the meltdown, but I will be using the meltdown this time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie this back. So ladies, with this wig, you know, it's nice. You can still see me lace front a little bit up close, but don't worry about that. I'm gonna get you right with that. Yeah, hold tight. So basically all I'm doing right here is using my lace glue spray. The one I use is it's extreme hold. So you can use any one of your choice. This is just the one that works best for me. Also, just to help, the one that I use is by Bellatique, if I'm saying it correctly, but you can also use the yellow Got To Be spray as well. Also, as you can see, I'm not taking the whole bottle and spraying the lace. I'm just taking a little bit at a time on a comb, and now I am blow drying it down, and I'm putting it on the cool setting, not hot, cool setting. And you just go back and forth, and I'm just kind of, and you just take the end piece of the comb and just keep patting it down as you're blow drying it, and apply more spray if needed. So once we're all done, we get the elastic melting band. You can get this from your local beauty supply store, Walmart, CVS, Target. They should have it in there. And this right here helps leave the lace looking like it's coming out of your scalp. That's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to melt it into your scalp. So I'm just playing in my hair, brushing it, getting it all neat while I am letting it melt, if that's what you want to call it. So I don't know if I want to do a side part or if I want to do a middle part. So I was just kind of going back and forth on like, how do I want to style this wig, and I am going to end up doing a middle part. So I'm trying to size my face up and see how I like it, and I'm going to go with the middle part. Yeah, she gonna go with the middle part. So stick around. So now it's time to take this band off and see how the melting did. Yes, I love it. Yes, sis, I am in love. I love it. All smells this way. So guys, I totally forgot to do a length check. So here it is. This is a 20-inch, like I said before. This is how it looks on my back. So yeah. So now all I'm doing is getting my part neat down the middle. I'm trying to get it as neat as possible. So now I am using my wax stick. And what that's going to do is going to just lay the hair down nice and neat and keep the flyaways down and give it even a nice little shine. Then next I'm going to get my electric hot comb, and I am going to flatten his hair down and get it in the position that I want it to lay. So guys, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to curl it up. Now a lot of people, they go really in depth in details about how they like their hair and stuff to be. Not me, especially when you're running for time. We're gonna put some curls in, baby girl, and we're gonna go about our business. Okay, so we start from the top to the top, the back to the top. That's how I do. Alright. So I did one curl, y'all, and it came out. So I'm gonna tell y'all one trick that you need to do. Shout out to Disastrous Beauty. I follow her channel. She is one of the people who inspired me to do my own channel. Basically, when you do curl your hair like this, when you curl it and you pull it out, make sure you hold it in that spot for a couple of seconds. Let me tell you, for a few minutes. Hold it in that spot and then let it drop and you'll have that nice curl. Okay, so that is something that I got from her and I use that technique till today. So shout out to Mrs. Disastrous Beauty. She is another wig tutorial lady that does wigs as well. Yeah, she's phenomenal too. I love her page, her channel. So guys, I have basically done one side so far, and I got it curtain bangs. As you can see, she did really good. So I'm gonna tell you a trick, but let me finish this side. It came out really nice. I am loving this. I like that. So I gotta just finish this side, so I'll be right back. So I did cut my hair as well, y'all. So make sure if you're trying to do the curtain bangs that you got to layer your hair, so you're gonna have to cut it. Didn't want to, but I had to. Now, the only thing that I'm trying to figure out, do I want to leave baby hairs down? And to be honest, I don't want to, because I like the way that is giving me this natural look, like it's coming from the scalp. And I honestly and truly do not want to leave no baby hairs down. Like, for what? For what, baby? Like, why are we leaving baby hairs now? Like, no. But this is what I got from her. Super happy with it, but it was sort of a rush job for me. But other than that, the quality of this is really good. You know, use your flexi rods if you have it. Not even your flexi rod, use your Got2b spray, use your heat protected, and give it some time to do its curl, because as I was doing my curls were falling and I was rushing trying to get my video done because I got other things to do tonight as well. But I wanted to let you guys see how the hair actually looks, and it is really good hair. I love it. It's nice. It's really, really nice. She does shed, and look at that hairline. Look at Miss Thing. Yes, ma'am. Okay, it's good. So I highly recommend it.